Do you know what is the third most research, the third most Google cryptocurrency token right now? Shiba Inu, without any surprise. Why? It's the most researched, it's the hottest coin, the hottest crypto coin people want to get their hands on right now. I mean, we are talking about tremendous, humongous, huge gains in just a matter of few days. I mean, I was looking at this last Friday, and it was sitting around 0.00040s. I mean, the 27, and then next day pumps to almost 40, 48, 48. All right, and then yesterday I was looking at it, thinking, it may pull back a little bit so I can add more, and then boom, 78.37, almost 70% just on the last few hours. So you might be looking at this if you haven't already bought some shares into Shiba and feel like, man, I thought Dogecoin was the way to go, but seems like Shiba just flipped on Dogecoin. All right. Lots of people are getting into this because, first of all, I mean, it's obvious. All right. This is more affordable. The level of entry here is so low that even with $10, you can get thousands and thousands of shares of Shiba token. Now, if you want to get into Shiba, if you want to buy it, I think you have to look at, as always, what is your strategy? And by that, I mean, is it short term? Am I getting into this to play with it, to trade this, to swing trade, or even day trade? Meaning, I buy in, when it goes up, I sell, all right? I cash out. When it goes back down, I buy in again, and then I rinse and repeat the process. If you want to get in here and trade, I mean, and invest, all right? Because you want to hold it for the long term. You want to hold it when it will actually reach a cent or even a dollar, like Ripple did, like Bitcoin did, like Ethereum did, before actually getting to where they are now. I mean, it may not happen next week or next month or next year, but definitely with where crypto is headed, there are strong chances, not a guarantee, but strong chances that it might hit that a cent price or a dollar price. Now, if depending on which one, you are setting yourself, your strategy, whether you want to trade or invest, I will say, what is your price target? If you want to invest and your price target is a cent or a dollar, I will say, I mean, it doesn't really make any difference now, because if you buy now, even if it's at all-time high, you can still have chances to add in more, whether it drops, whether or it goes up, because I mean, at a dollar right now, it wouldn't make much difference if you are waiting for it to buy. Now, if you have FOMO, if you have the fear of missing out, I will say get in now, but with half the capital, or 3/4 or just a quarter. I mean, not all the money you have in mind to invest into this. Let's say you want to put 500. For now, let's just put 250. And then if it goes back down next week, a couple of months from now, then you can add that 250. Even if it goes up and never goes back down to this level, you can always add those 250. You kind of see where I'm going with this? Right. Now, if you want to trade, I will say same thing. Get in, but with not all your capital. But be really careful, because this is crypto, and crypto is very volatile. All right. So be actually prepared to be up big, but to also be down big. But again, depending on your price target and your time frame, you want to get patient, because if greed is actually leading you, you might get burned totally. Because when you are greedy, when you are letting FOMO drive you, you are pretty much acting based on emotions. And that is a place I will never will anybody to be, because anytime, especially when it comes to money, trading, investing, whatever, if you're starting to get emotional, 99% of the time, you're making a wrong decision. So do something that will actually, your future self will thank you for what you did today. All right, AC here, I'm out.